Welcome to Indonesia. From our previous journey in Wakatobi, we now venture further east to the hidden paradise of Raja Ampat, where emerald isles rise from sapphire seas, and the ocean wears its most majestic crown. Located in the far reaches of eastern Indonesia, Raja Ampat is not just a destination. It is a living paradise, a world where land and sea embrace in eternal harmony. Four great islands: Wijio, Masul, Salawati, and Batanta, rise from the depths like jewels scattered by the gods. Each holds its own secret. Each tells a tale of time, tide, and life everlasting. As dawn unfolds, light spills gently over the karst formations, revealing a landscape carved by centuries of wind and water. From above, the view is unreal. Hundreds of small islets floating over a turquoise mirror, their reflections shimmering in the morning calm. This is nature's architecture, untouched and eternal. Beneath the surface, a new world awakens. Corals bloom like wildflowers, their colors brighter than any artist's palette. Schools of fish glide in unison, their movements a silent symphony of grace. And there the manta rays, the gentle giants of the deep, move with such elegance that even time seems to pause. Here, the ocean is alive. It breathes, it sings, it remembers. It holds the stories of every creature that has ever called it home. But Raja Ampat's beauty does not end beneath the waves. On land, life beats with the same rhythm of the sea. Villages built upon wooden stilts stretch over clear lagoons. Children dive from the docks, their laughter mingling with the sound of the wind. Fishermen set sail at sunrise, guided by tradition, stars, and gratitude for the waters that sustain them. In the forests of Wijio, a flash of color, the Wilson's bird of paradise performs its ritual dance beneath the golden light. It is a sight so rare, so pure. Feels like witnessing a secret of creation itself. In Masul, towering cliffs guard hidden lagoons, painted centuries ago by those who first found wonder in the sea. These silent imprints remind us we are not the first to be moved by the beauty of Raja Ampat. We are only the latest witnesses to its timeless grace. Raja Ampat is not merely a place to see, it is a place to feel. It reminds us how vast the world is, and yet, how deeply we are connected to it. For every traveler who comes here, the journey is not an escape, it is a return. Return to silence. To wonder. To the essence of what it means to be alive. This is Raja Ampat, the crown of the ocean. A living testament to Indonesia's boundless beauty. And a reminder that paradise still exists, waiting patiently beneath the waves.